welcome once again to hellohnclothing. Welcome to another wonderful tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to make this beautiful petal layered sleeve. So it's petaled, it's layered, okay, and we're going to be making this other simple one, okay, just quick and easy tutorials to get us started so that we can incorporate them in our project, okay. So something quick before we begin. This video here, we did this in our last video, part of a design of this girl. We're able to recreate and achieve it with our flare ruffled methodology. If you have not seen this, please check it out. It'll be linked up here, and you can also check it out in the description box. Okay, and then finally, you can start signing up for our different packages. We have the support group going on. It's just 2,000 naira. See guys, I don't even want to begin to explain what you're going to get, the benefits of being a part of that group. See so many testimonies we've been having on there, you know, right there. We'll be able to focus and be able to get the best value for money, okay? There's also the package deal. You want to learn all your foundation blocks correctly, or you just want to learn the Nationality method. You want to see how I achieve all my perfect fits in my garments. Check that out. All the flyers are already up. You can check that out. And then our 3-month intensive online fashion academy is now live. So guys, so for this project, I have this fabric. Let me measure the width of my fabric that I'm having here. Okay, so this is a this is 29 inches wide and 16 inches long. 29 inches wide, 16 inches long. And then there's actually a stay that has been attached to the fabric there. So just iron your stay. So you can first of all do your measurement on the fabric before you iron your stay, but I already have my stay ironed onto this piece of fabric. So what you're going to be doing now is you're going to fold your fabric and try to get that curve that you have in a petal. So you're just ideally cutting off like some parts. So you want it wide at the top so that when you gather up there, it's going to give you that feel. So what I'm going to be doing is folding this fabric into two, right? And then from about the midpoint here on the side, I just want to curve it till it gets to somewhere here. So you see what I'll be doing. You can increase your hand to make it more curvy. So this one we're doing freehand to do this, okay? So let me go by the other outer one. Now whenever you're sewing, it is very important for you to know which method will best work with you. So there are some styles that I definitely need to use patterns to create. There are some that I'll use my free hand to create. You don't expect that I'll be doing a boo-boo and then I'll be doing patterns for boo-boo, except if I want to add some twist and drama to the boo-boo. But if it is just a free boo-boo, you don't need to do that. So now in this case, I already have something wide up here. I do not necessarily need to start doing patterns to add the fullness. All I just needed to do is try to determine how that lower part will be. So the next thing you do after you've gotten this, you want to use your lining to turn this so that the lining will cover up the inside, okay? And then you go to your sewing machine and gather this up, okay? You just want to gather this up like this. Alright, so after sewing that upper part, you know, it's because of the stay. That is what is making it stand. That's what's giving it the structure. After sewing the upper part, you can see how it's going to be on the arm. So if you feel this part is still too wide, which I think it is, we can then kind of control it by trimming it down just a little. Okay, let me just match it up and then I'll just trim it till I get there. So from here, I just want to, it depends on you if you want to make it really tapered down at the bottom. So with this that I've trimmed off now, by the time I put it on the sleeve, yeah, I think this is much better. By the time you put it on the shoulder, on the sleeve, remember it's a layered one, so the next one should be longer and wider on the sides. I feel this one should be like layer 2. Layer 1 should be much smaller than this. So let's quickly do layer 1 for this, okay? Okay, so I'm back with the other sleeve that I went to sew. Let me place this on this, you know, because it's a layered petal sleeve. Once I place this top one on this, see, it's not showing the bottom parts very well. So let me trim it off. You really want it to layer well. And okay, guys, I think I'll incorporate this to a design. I'll just use what they call this bias to finish the bottom and incorporate this to a design, maybe a shift dress or something fitted, just to give it that extraness. See, thankfully it's even covering up the joining I had on the lower one. So this is it, guys. By the time I sew 2 of them together, can you see this? Lovely. So this is it, okay? Let's put it on our mannequin and really see it. I'm also going to, let me just go ahead to sew it together so that it's just one sleeve without going off and on, right? And then let's check it out on this our ruffle design dress. Okay guys, so we are through with this sleeve. You can see how layered it is. You can go on to add another layer underneath if you want that. So by the time we put it, whoo, child, let's look at this beauty. It's a beauty. Can you see this? Woo. What do you think about this, guys? Let me bring it out closer. Will you be willing to try this? Maybe in a short dress, just to transform the outfit. I think I'm even liking it with the whole ruffle thing. Is it too much? Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've been trying this out. Remember, you need to properly finish it up. I'm just showing you how to achieve this puff and the whole standing ovation of a thing. Oh goodness, this looks so good. This does look so good, and I love the color. Color is giving it life, okay? Yeah, since we're done with this, let's move on to style number 2. So for style number 2, we are just going to be using this sleeve pattern we created in this video right here. It's up here if you want to check the video out. We used like the standing puff, okay? So we're able to add fullness up here. What we're just going to be doing is just cutting just a little bit here to reveal some skin. So instead of it to just be square at the bottom, it's just going a little bit up here, okay? There's just some additional design going on there. That's also, you're just cutting a bit from that center, okay? So let me do that. And when you cut that bit from that center, of course you don't want it to be too sharp. You can still trim it. You don't want it sharp. Trim it, like reduce the sharpness. How do you reduce it? Open it and just curve. Open it and curve it instead of just making it sharp there. Just curve it there, okay? You know that there's already a lining in this one, but before you do that, in the original pattern, you would have not put any lining yet. It's just the cloth with the stay. And then once you open it up like this, it's going to give it that going up when you wear it. It's as if, you see? Let me go and stitch it. I'll go there now. I'll go to my machine and stitch it down so that it stands as one sleeve, and I'll come back to show you the results. So guys, I'm done with our sleeve. So once you cut that open, you'll be having that peekaboo effect, like what we can see right here on the screen in this design. Okay, so let me know what you think about this sleeve style as well. Yeah, and we've come to the end of today's tutorial. Quite easy, quite simple. Is it beautiful styles that you can incorporate into your designs? Let me know which one you'll be going for. And yeah, till we see in our next tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe. Do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to like. Thumbs up and like is the same thing. But anyways, you get the gist. And then yeah, do not forget to actually subscribe for next month's support group. It is now like open for registration. Okay, and yeah, till we see in the next tutorial, stay safe. God bless you all. Bye.